In a parallel plate condenser, the radius of each circular plate is 12 centimeters and the distance between the plates is 5 millimeter. There is a glass slab of 3 millimeter thick and of radius 12 centimeters with dielectric constant 6 between the plates. The capacity of the condenser will be. So now in this question we are supposed to find out the potential drop such that we can find out the equivalent capacitance. Okay, so this is the case when a dielectric slab of thickness 3 millimeter, okay, is introduced here. So case is like this, okay, and cross section areas are same for both because A is equal to pi into r square, and for both area of cross section is radius is provided as r is equal to 12 centimeter, right? So this will be 12 into 10 to the power minus 2. So we can calculate 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So this will become 144 into pi into 10 to the power minus 4, okay, meter square. This much area of cross section we have. Now this slab has dielectric constant K is equal to 6 between the glass plate. So now we need to simply find out the total potential drop from this point A to C. So we need VAB, we know that electric field in air will be E naught into distance is AB, and we know that this AB is going to be how much? Suppose if total length is D and this thickness is T, this will be D minus T, correct? So we can say E will be equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. We know that this is the formula for E into AB, that means D minus T, right? And VBC, now coming to VBC will be equal to EK into BC, and EK will be sigma upon K epsilon naught into BC is nothing else T. So total potential drop V total will be VAB plus VBC, and if you see this will be sigma D minus T upon epsilon naught plus sigma T divided by K epsilon naught. Now what can we take common? So sigma upon epsilon naught we can take common. So D minus T plus T by K is the total potential. So now total potential drop can be written as Q divided by C equivalent, correct? And we know that this Q will be equal to sigma into A only. Okay, this sigma is charge density. So we can write sigma into A divided by C equivalent is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. So simply this sigma will be cancelled out. We can find out the value of net capacitance, which will be value of C. So this C equivalent will be, so taking reciprocal we can find epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T upon K. We can rearrange it sigma epsilon naught upon D minus T 1 minus 1 upon K. This is the net capacitance. Now this actually I have derived, but if you remember this formula directly, then it will be very easy for you to calculate. How? Just tell me. Let me know you got it. So if you got it, just you need to put the values now. So need to put the values. You get the value of 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 is the value of epsilon naught. Area of cross section is 144 pi into 10 to the power minus 4, and divided by D value is how much? That is 5 millimeters. So that will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, minus T value is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 6. So this is the value. So we get 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 16 into 144 into 3.14 divided by 5. So we can take 10 to the power minus 3 common. This will be 5 minus 3 into 1 upon, this will be 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. So this will be 5 we can take common. So 1 minus 3 by 6. So this will be 1 minus 1 by 2, nothing else, 1 upon 2. Directly I have written it down. And then if you finally solve it, you will get approximately 160 into 10 to the power minus 12, which is nothing else, 160 picofarads. Okay, so this is highly important question. If I will suggest you to remember this formula. Whenever this question comes directly, you can directly keep the values and get the answer. You don't have to drive it again and again. Okay, so which option is correct? Option number 3 is the right answer.